Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to allow websites to run JavaScript on Google Chrome. If a page isn't loading correctly or certain interactive features aren't working, it might be because JavaScript is turned off. Don't worry, fixing this only takes a few seconds. Let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome app on your device. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap the three dots icon. That's the menu button where all your settings and tools are located. Next, scroll down and select Settings. This will open a list of options that control everything from privacy to site permissions. Once you're inside the Settings menu, look for Site Settings. It's usually found under the section called Privacy and Security. Go ahead and tap on it. Inside Site Settings, you'll see a list of different permissions that websites can request, like location access, camera use, and cookies. Among these, find and tap JavaScript. Now you'll see a simple toggle switch. If JavaScript is turned off, the switch will appear gray, and that means sites aren't allowed to run scripts. To enable it, just tap the switch once it should turn blue or move to the on position.